It's 11 o'clock at night. My eyebrows are crooked. Deal with it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and we are still on Whole30, so I'm keeping these recipes pumping. I want to be a skinny vegan one day. So today guys, we are making coconut curry veggie stir fry. Are you so excited? I heard you say yay. And of course we're gonna put it over cauliflower rice because that is Whole30 and paleo compliant. So let's get started. I've got half a white onion, I have about 3 large cloves of garlic, and I have 1 jalapeno pepper. Why the pepper? Because it was about to go bad, so I had to use it. I don't waste nothing. We're gonna add some more veggies to the mix. Now, as some of you guys may know, typically vegans make chickpea curry. I didn't want to confuse any vegetarians or meat eaters who watch my channel because that is not allowed for them. It's a legume. But for vegans, you're good to go. You can make a normal chickpea curry. Why do I always take my tongue out every video? I promise y'all I'm the same. I'm going to stick some mushrooms in there. This might mess it up. I don't know. But these about to go bad too. So okay, that's enough. That's enough. We don't really want to mess it up. That's enough. This is like my favorite brand of tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce. I love them. Is it Muir Glen? I love them. All right, I let that cook for a little bit. Let's add some salt. We don't need a lot. Don't need a lot. Coconut cream. Quit embarrassing me. Oh. All right, let's let that sit and we'll be back. All right, this has been simmering for 5 to 7 minutes. It's so creepy. Y'all see this? Come closer. Come. Yes. Curry, duh. 2 tablespoons. And that's it. That's good. That's it. I added salt and curry. Alright, now let's make our cauliflower rice because white rice, brown rice is not allowed. Don't try it. Y'all, my 2018 when it comes to That Chocolate Vegan is not going too well. The first video I was missing an ingredient, which I found the ginger later. And this video, my camera ain't right. Wait, what? This is behind the scenes. Anyway, on to the rice like I told you guys. I riced some cauliflower in my food processor earlier, and I'm just gonna dump it into some vegetable broth without making a mess. Ooh. So I'm just gonna add some salt. I'm not gonna do too much because once again, when I have a big, when I have something that's I know really flavorful with cauliflower rice, I don't really season it too much. Just salt and pepper. That's it. Because all that goodness is gonna go on top of here. Oh, y'all never seen the backside of my kitchen. Ha! Will it stay? It's not gonna stay. We're cutting the cauliflower off. And I will be back to plate it. Okay, so I just plated it. It's so good. It's so good. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I will see you next time. Peace.
I'm going to eat a little bit of this even though it's late at night. I should not. Okay, it's midnight. I'm pretty sure it's midnight. 11:45 last time I looked. I just tried to lie for no reason. I'm gonna eat a little bit, then I'm going to bed because I want to be a skinny vegan. Bye guys.